Hold on, please. Okay, hold on, please. Alexander. What do you have? Show me. Whoa. So Elias is eating watermelon. And every bite that he takes, he pushes it out of his mouth and makes a sour face. But then if I take it away, he has a fit. So I guess he likes watermelon.